Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cancel your private server subscription on Roblox. So for instance, you want to stop it from renewing the private server. You're just going to go to the game. I'm just going to select Just to Impress here, and I'm going to select this, and I'll select just Join Friends. And under your servers here, you're going to select configure, and you're just going to basically disable the subscription status so that when it is January the 21st, it won't renew your subscription status. And you'll have to renew it yourself. I think this is a good idea so that Roblox doesn't automatically charge you for the server even if you don't want to for next month. I suggest you just turning off the subscription status for now. Your private server will still be there for this month, I think. I think so, yeah. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.